Now in session. Judge, this is case number 1004, Sauer versus Moffitt.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Sauer?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, George and I were engaged to be married. However, that did not, we broke up. In the process of being engaged, George adopted my 9-year-old son, Travis.
Okay.
And even though we're not going to get married, I would like to seek child support from George for Travis, please.
Okay.
Tensions flare in Judge Faith's courtroom as Sauer faces off against Moffitt in a heated dispute. Miss Sauer is taking her former George to court over child support, claiming he's financially responsible for her son, Travis, whom he legally adopted. But here's the twist. The wedding never happened. So, does George still have to pay? Or is he free to leave it all behind? It's a courtroom clash that puts love, law, and loyalty.
Any objection to that?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the objection?
Well, we were engaged. It was great. Her kid, Travis, he's really sweet.
Wait, her kid?
You
adopted him, right?
I'm not the biological father.
He's not.
Adopted
but
him,
you adopted Travis.
I was getting, yes, I did, yes. I'm not denying that I did adopt Travis.
So, Travis is your son, too?
Technically, yes.
Okay.
We were intending on marrying. I had a panic attack, Your Honor, a month before the wedding, and I ran out.
Okay.
I left. And we never got married. I don't make a whole lot of money, and
I'm not following you.
I don't really see Keely. I don't see Travis much these days.
He misses you, and I miss you.
I'm not following you. You adopted Travis legally. He's your son.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which means you should be paying child support for him.
I probably should.
Probably?
Have you ever done something that you maybe freaked out about? And
yeah, sitting here listening to your story is freaking me out.
Okay.
Miss Sauer takes the stand, laying out her case. She and George may have ended their engagement, but during their time together, he made a life-changing choice. He legally adopted her son, Travis. Now, she believes that commitment shouldn't vanish just because the relationship did. George admits he adopted Travis, but says their bond has faded and money is tight. He even reveals he had a panic attack before their planned wedding, backed out entirely. So now the courtroom is left to weigh a difficult question. Is George drowning in stress or dodging a duty he signed up for? The truth lies somewhere in the emotional gray area.
I'm a nice guy. I deliver the mail, you know?
Okay.
I in this neighborhood, actually.
Thank you for delivering our mail.
You're welcome. I like it. It's great.
Mr. Moffitt, you came here to waste my time, didn't you?
No, Your Honor.
Obviously you did, because everything you're saying about delivering mail in this neighborhood and you're a nice guy, that has nothing to do with child support. Travis is your son. You have an obligation to support him. It's just as simple as that.
Are you okay? You're not going to have another panic attack, are you?
Oh.
Okay.
Do you really miss me?
Travis asked about you. I just want what's best for my son.
Wait, Your Honor, can we, what? When is he asking about me?
He asks, he asks at night right before bed. I mean, you adopted him, so,
Why don't you call and check on the child?
Just scared, I guess.
Scared of what?
When I adopted...
Mean to him? I mean, what's the... I feel like I'm missing something here. What am I missing?
Takes a shot at defending himself, pointing to his job as a mail carrier and insisting he's a decent man just trying to get by. But Judge Faith isn't swayed. She cuts through the excuses, firmly reminding him that by law, Travis is his son and that comes with financial responsibility, no matter how tough life gets. George circles back to his panic attacks, but the judge keeps the spotlight on the facts. Then, the mood shifts. Miss Sauer quietly shares that Travis still asks about George at bedtime, A heartbreaking detail that adds emotional weight to the case. This isn't just about dollars and legal documents, it's about real people, broken bonds, and the question of whether some ties can truly be cut.
I feel like, George just, George does have his panic attacks, but, I just want what's best for my son, and, and I want you to be happy too, George. I do. I want you to be happy.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Oh.
So maybe I was wrong about you and Travis.
Do you want to?
Do you guys want to get back together? You're really making my heart jump over here.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's because I've never been in court before, Your Honor, but I feel like, yeah.
Maybe you guys should go ahead and...
When the courtroom drama reaches its peak, Judge Faith drops a bombshell. Why don't you two just get married? The room falls into stunned silence. Then shockingly, George lights up and reveals he still has the engagement ring. With tears in her eyes, Miss Sauer says yes. In a twist no one saw coming, Judge Faith officiates their wedding right there on the spot. And with that, the child support case is dismissed, because under Texas law, spouses can't be ordered to pay child support to one another. It's an unexpected, heartwarming ending in a courtroom known more for conflict than celebration, where, this time, love delivers the final verdict.
Get married. Forget the whole engagement thing. Get married. Then you don't have to worry about child support. Sounds good, right?
Oh my gosh, it's so simple.
Keely, are you?
I still have the ring.
I mean, we could get married right now.
You can do that?
Of course.
Okay, yeah, yeah,
okay, sure.
Let's, yeah, yes.
Okay, Mr. Moffitt, do you take this woman to be your wife?
Yeah, I do.
And do you take Mr. Moffitt to be your husband?
I do.
Okay, well, you guys are married and there is no child support. This is an ending we don't see very often in this court. So once you guys are married, no one pays child support, okay? So if there's nothing further from either of you, you all are dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Following the surprise, Judge Faith takes a moment to clarify the law. In Texas, when two parents are legally married, child support obligations between them no longer apply. What began as a heated courtroom clash ended with vows, not verdicts, a powerful reminder that the law can sometimes mend hearts instead of breaking them. This case is proof that even in the often tough world of family court, love, commitment, and second chances can still take the spotlight. The video closes with a touching message. Share your own story. And don't forget to subscribe for more real moments from the courtroom, because behind every case is a deeper story. And once in a while, a truly happy ending.